Hey guys, we have an Emcon camera spinner sitting in front of my room. This is a burnt out incandescent bulb. A blue bulb is in here too. That's the top view. Now I do not know if this thing is made by Kmart, but I'm just gonna say that's made by Kmart. Because it looks like a Kmart fan. That's low speed. It's kind of buzzy. This is medium speed. Maybe that going on better now. Here's high speed. Here's off. I couldn't put it in a flush mount, unfortunately, because the screws were not accessible with the ceiling decorative that is up there. That little ring. Other people have this, but this one was the only one in stock, and they didn't have any other ones that were fan rated. So I just used this one. And also didn't have any other, like, I got this one from Menards. I didn't have any other ones that matched my ceiling, so I grabbed the white one. Oh wait, no, this one came from Home Depot. Right? Or I don't know. I honestly don't know. But see you in the next video. Bye.